Finally, there is a good news for FM WhatsApp lovers. Now, the latest version of FM WhatsApp version 9.00 is available. If you have not updated your application yet, please update it. If you update your application to the latest version, you would have the latest security patch of 29 October 2021. In this application, if we talk about the base update is 2.21.19.21. You can check it out here. If we talk about A to Z features of this application, if you update your application to the latest version, what features have been added and what bugs have been removed, you can check it out here. All the lists are shown here. If you update your application, then you majorly 3 options are added. You can check it out here, and few bugs are there which were available in the previous version have been fixed, and all the previous features are also available in this application. Let us talk about the first one is that download view once images and videos. Now what happens if anyone send you one time view image or video, you can directly download that. How would you do that? Let me show you. For that, I'll open my second account. Thereafter, I'll send one time view image or video to this account. For that, what would I do? I'll click on camera icon. Thereafter, I need to choose any image. I'll choose this one, and before sending this image, I need to click here. If I click here, then what would happen? This image is set for one time view. What would happen if you use normal WhatsApp and you view this image one time, the image will be deleted automatically. But if you update your application to the latest FM WhatsApp, this will not happen to you. What would happen if you tag this? Then you can see here one more option have been added here, this one. If you click this option, then what would happen? This image will be downloaded to your gallery. So in the latest version of FM WhatsApp, this feature has been added. If we talk about more features, then click on 3 dots. Here you can check out lock conversion option is available, voice changer option is available, and the one more option is there like as go to first message. By clicking this option, you can directly visit the first message sent by your recipient. Few more things are there that you can check it out. Search web. This is the latest update. You may say after using this application, you can also directly search anything from the web. If you tag on the top, then you can check it out here. Custom privacy option is there, and quite interface is different if you use this application. If we go back, and then you can check it out here. If we go back, then the options are looking little bit different. You can make changes and you can customize according to your choice. Here you can check out that now it is shown that how many minutes or how many seconds ago your friend was online. So this thing was also added. And one more thing, if any of your friend is sending a message in group, directly by clicking dot contact name, you can check it out that how many messages have been sent by your friend. It out that if anyone has send any message any group, by just tagging that, you can check it out that how many messages has been sent by that only particular recipient. If we talk about more changes, then here click on FM modes. Thereafter click on home screen, click on row, and thereafter on the bottom you can check it out that 3 options are majorly added here as a new option. Now you can also enable dot color. You can also elapsed time. You can check it out. Elapsed time was the same. When you enable this option, you can check it out that how many seconds or how many minutes were before your friend was online. Rest all the features are working properly. Click on privacy and security, freeze last seen, anti-view once, disable forwarded tag, who can call you, custom privacy, hide view status, anti-delete status, anti-delete messages, show blue ticks after reply, contacts, group broadcast, and built-in app lock is also there. You can choose and you can apply it. Similarly, you can download unlimited themes are there in this. Click on FM themes, and here directly you can scroll down and choose whatever theme you want to apply and just use it and have your experience more better. If you customize your home screen, for that you can click on home screen, and thereafter you want to make changes in header portion, click on header portion and you can make changes here according to your choice. This is the called header portion. You want to make changes here, enable and disable the names, whatever you want to enable the options. Like as you want to enable this DND option, then you can enable DND option. You want to enable dark mode option, you can enable dark mode option. These all options are in your hand. Whatever customization you want to make changes according to yourself, you can make here. So this is the latest version of FM WhatsApp version 9.00 created by FOD WhatsApp. If you want to download it, simply The step you have to follow: visit description and join our Telegram group. Type there FM WhatsApp 9.00. You will get the application, click and download and update it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Very soon we'll see you again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.